Here's how to fix Valorant crashing after a Windows update. Step 1. Close Valorant and Riot client completely. Press Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open Task Manager. Under Processes, locate Valorant, Riot Client, and Riot Client Services. Select each one and click End Task. This ensures no leftover processes interfere with the game. Step 2. Clear temporary files. Press Windows plus S, type Disk Cleanup, and open the app. Select your C drive, check Temporary Files, and click OK, then Delete Files. Clearing temporary files removes outdated cache that may conflict with the new Windows updates. Step 3. Restart Riot Vanguard service. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Scroll down to VGC, right-click it, and select Restart. If the service is not running, click Start. Vanguard must run correctly for Valorant to function. Step 4. Run Riot Client as administrator. Right-click Riot Client and select Run as Administrator. Sign in if prompted, then launch Valorant. Running as administrator ensures the game and Vanguard have proper permissions after system changes. Step 5. Restart your PC. After performing the above steps, restart your computer to finalize changes. This ensures all Windows updates and fixes are applied properly. After following these steps, Valorant should no longer crash after a Windows update. Subscribe for more professional Valorant fixes and PC troubleshooting guides.